have your 1 to 2, 3, 4 grants, there's a pre-writing phase. It's very conceptual, and some people don't like doing this, but it's basically in your mind, you puke out everything you can onto paper, onto Post-it notes, every idea that you want funded. Then you start to recluster it into groups. Fancy word for this is called a nominal process. But you basically, I put one idea per Post-it note. I'm going to show you how to do that just to get your ideas out there. You have to build a concept. You have to do pre-writing, because it is in this pre-writing phase that you develop a project concept. In developing, what does that overall project concept look like? So I had a teacher from a local school district that says, I want everyone to have laptops. Well, that's like a purchase. That might be, that's not really an outcome of a goal or an objective. Increasing the technology literacy of students is a goal. And a way to get to that is they're going to have, laptops or tablets. So it's in this phase that you talk and think about. You can put down, I want tablets, but then you're going to hear me working with you to say, what is the concept or the project that you're going to build that around? If Channel Pathways does, if they want to have increased activity levels, or you want to have decreased obesity levels, what are the things that you're going to have to do there? It might be forming coalitions. It might be having more bikes that people can use publicly, like you see in bigger cities. I'm not sure what it is, but you have to think of what your bigger concept is. So this is very much a conceptual stage, but that will definitely help you when you sit down to write. And like I said, out of frustration, people just think you sit down and write. You don't just sit down and write. And you can make in this concept phase, you can make it as big as you want, and you say, okay, for this part of our concept, let's write one grant just for this. And for another part, we might write this. There might not be one grant that covers your whole concept. And what you want to do, is it going to be done in the next 6 months, or is it going to take 5 or 10 years? You've got to think about all that in that concept stage. Then once you get in there, you'll start using those templates that I gave you that look like tables. And we're going to teach you how to write goals, objectives, activities, outcomes, and evaluation.